Hey Mom, what's for dinner?
That's the question I get asked about 4 times a day. And tonight, I'm making Italian pasta salad. I've got bow tie pasta, mozzarella, sun-dried tomatoes, Kalamata olives, pepperoni, spinach, and my homemade Italian dressing. First, we're going to prep some of the ingredients. I'm going to take these pepperoni slices and quarter them. And you can also cut the olives lengthwise. Or you could just leave them whole. With the sun-dried tomatoes, you definitely want to chop them up a bit. They're so flavorful. I went ahead and prepared the pasta ahead of time. That way it had time to cool down a bit. As you can see, I went ahead and added the spinach while the pasta was in the hot pot. That way it could wilt down a little bit. I'm not measuring anything in this recipe. I'm just adding what I like and the amount that I like. And to be honest with you, my pickiest eaters are not going to eat it this way. So I reserved some pasta off to the side and she can assemble her own. I just uploaded a video of how to make this Italian dressing. It's super easy and you probably have the ingredients on hand. I didn't have Italian dressing in the fridge, so I had to make my own. Now, if you have a picky eater and they don't like Italian dressing, then you can be creative. You can use ranch, or you can use Thousand Island, or even a honey mustard. And honestly, if they do like sun-dried tomatoes and black olives, those have enough flavor in them that you may not even need a salad dressing. So you want to stir and combine all those yummy flavors. You can really tailor this recipe to your liking. This will also taste great with fresh cherry tomatoes and artichokes. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Hey Mom, What's for Dinner?